Today I am going to share a tutorial on one of the most wanted Windows 10 tips and tricks. Yes, I do understand that we all have some secret stuff to hide from family and friends from whom we have to share our PC. In this video, we will learn how to lock folder on Windows 10 without any software. Hello everyone, myself Akhil back with another video for WM Originals, and in this video I will tell you how you can lock a folder using a batch file so that no one can access it without your permission. So without wasting any time, let's start this video and create a folder and give it some name. I am renaming this as WM Originals. Open this folder and now open Notepad to copy and paste this code in the new text document. You can get this code from the link in description of this video. Go to my website and from there you can copy this code. Once you have text in your file, change your password text with the password you want to set to gain access file. After that, save it with the name you want to. I will name it as test log and then give it a bat extension. Save this file and then go to the folder. From there, double click on the batch file you just created. Once clicked, it will create a private folder. Now again click on the batch file. This opens up command prompt. From there, write Y and press enter to lock your folder. Once done, your folder is locked and hidden from everyone. Now if you want to check if it's a trick to just hide folder or it's actually locked, go to view tab and from there check hidden items and you can confirm it's not hidden but actually locked. Click again on the batch file to gain access to folder. Double clicked and again command prompt opens up which asks to enter password. Enter the password you had created to lock file and then press enter to gain access to folder. Now if you enter wrong password, it will not show up the locked folder. Double click on it and I have entered a wrong password. You can see that folder remains locked. Now that you have learned how to lock folder on Windows 10 without software, if this video helped you, like and subscribe to our channel and do share this video with others who may find this useful.